What is up, guys? Hey, I wanted to shoot a quick video, just nothing special. I want to show you guys what I'm doing for this AC delete. Check it out. Super simple, guys. I bought this delete panel 6 months ago. I took it out of the box to check it out and do a quick little dry fit, and it did get some surface rust. No biggie. I punched all these holes out with a pneumatic punch. I am going to weld right here and grind it in because it will be right there, but all the other spot welds will be kind of hidden. So the plan is we're gonna spot weld the perimeter, even the lower side and up here, and then we're gonna seam seal it and paint. Let me show you guys what I did with this. So there's plenty of videos online, so this isn't a full tutorial. This is just a dropping in and saying what's up. Basically, what I did is I cut this out because this cowling has a lip around it. This had a lip around it, and then you had this little hump right here, and there was another hump right here. So basically just cut all the high spots out, hammered everything down to make it flat, and then I did a couple test fits. I did have to trim the delete plate, but then I took some time and cleaned up a lot of the gunk on the firewall. Guys, I'm not welding this on to be a show car. This is just a clean driver. We're doing the floors in the car. We're doing some major rust repair wherever it really needs it, but we're keeping the body rusty. This is basically my spin-off of Moonshine, something similar to Moonshine that Dr. Tunamal put up. But anyways, I just want to show you guys what I did. Went through, this was super gunked up, so I cleaned it off the best I could, and then I ground it down to bare metal around so we can get some clean welds. I cleaned this up right here. We're gonna be laying a bead on this right here, and maybe, yeah, probably right there too. And then we're gonna grind that down so it looks somewhat smooth. And then again, spot welds all around the perimeter, and we'll grind all the spot welds flat. Before I start welding, check it out, guys. So I tacked up with some self-tapping screws, boom, and look, the panel is sitting flush all the way around. There are a couple spots like right here where it's pushing out a little bit. I could absolutely put another screw right there to tighten it up. And right here's another spot. But what I'm doing is when I go through and weld, I'm just gonna push down, zap it, and then push down, zap, and it'll tighten up really good. Down here, super tight. Right here, we have a spot in the firewall where there is a huge dent. I took my body hammer and I did way more than I thought I was gonna be able to do. But for this, I'm not gonna worry about pushing it down super hard because I don't wanna create a ripple anywhere. So I'm gonna try to build that weld up right here, and I might put a little baby stitch underneath this just to keep it rigid. And then right here is where my lap weld will start going all the way up. It would have been, I might try to clean that up a little bit more, but this will be like a lap weld all the way down, and I'm gonna grind it down and shape it just a little bit. But that is what I'm starting with. I'm gonna get to welding now. I did a little bit of cleaning on some of that rust that was on it, but as you guys can see, spot weld all the way around. It's not going anywhere. It's not the prettiest. I could spend some more time and clean some of that up, weld it down. I'm not right now. I am gonna throw some paint on it. Gotta do some touch up right there later. Right now, I am just gonna throw some paint on it, leave it as is for now. Maybe get back to it one day. Maybe after we paint the whole firewall and clean everything up, maybe it looks just fine. But this was a 45-minute, probably 45 minute to an hour project that I knocked out real quick after work. It's time to go home. But first, let's slap some paint on this thing. I'm gonna slap a little bit of paint on it. Let's just see what it looks like when it's black. We're gonna see if this old turbo can has been sitting outside for a month. Works good. Oh, sorted. Guys, I think we're ready for SEMA. All right, maybe not SEMA, but we're ready for cars and coffee. On a more serious note, I did lay it on kind of thick. It will get sanded. We're gonna prime it. We're gonna take a little bit more time cleaning up the firewall, but I at least got this panel on, and no waves in it, fellas. No wavy, so that's good. Basically just moved around when I was doing the spot welds. Right here, when I was doing the tacks, I would focus on the top, then the bottom, and it looks pretty decent. We are gonna clean that up later. But like I said, I just threw some paint on it so it wouldn't rust more. We will be doing some seam sealer around the perimeter. I'll fill up that corner a little bit, sand it all down. Then we're gonna do some primer, sand it. We're gonna make the firewall look decent. This turbo can was just for some protection, but I gotta head home. That's gonna do it for this quick, easy little video. Just wanted to put something out there while I had some time. Hit subscribe, like, comment, let me know what you think. Take care, guys. We'll see you there.